In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up gift cards in Shopify. To get started, head to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From the available options, click on Products. After opening the Products section, locate the option labeled Gift Cards and select it. This will take you to the area where gift cards can be created and managed. Once you're on the gift cards page, look for the Create Gift Card button. You can typically find this button near the top right corner of the screen. Click Create Gift Card to begin setting up a new gift card. When the gift card creation page opens, you'll be able to customize the details of the gift card. Start by creating the gift card code. Enter a custom code if you want to use a specific code, or choose the option to generate a random code automatically. After the code has been created, move on to the gift card value. Enter the initial value you want the gift card to have. Depending on how you want to offer gift cards in your store, you can choose a single value or set up different values for customers to select from. Once you've decided on the value, review the information to make sure everything looks correct. Next, look for the expiration settings. Gift cards do not expire by default, so you can leave this section unchanged if you do not want an expiration date. If you want the gift card to expire after a certain period, enter the expiration date you would like to use. After selecting your preferred expiration settings, review the gift card details once more, check the gift card code, confirm the value, and verify the expiration settings if you added one. Make any adjustments that may be needed before finalizing the setup. Once all the information is in place, complete the creation process by saving the gift card. After saving, the gift card will be available in your Shopify store. The overall process is simple. Open the Product section, select Gift Cards, click Create Gift Card, add a gift card code, choose the gift card value, decide whether to add an expiration date, review the details, and save the gift card. If you want to create additional gift cards, repeat the same process and customize the details as needed. By following these steps, you can quickly set up gift cards directly from your Shopify dashboard and make them available for use in your store. And that's how to set up gift cards on Shopify step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.